Hello everyone, this is Thomas Teacher. 안녕하세요. 영어 교육 18년 경력 토마스 선생님입니다. 이 영상은 연습하기 위해 합니다. 학교 영어 시간에 연습 시간이 부족해서 여기서 몇 번 따라하고 좋고 공책에 쓰면 더 좋아요. 구독하고 좋아요 잊지 마세요. 시작합시다. Let's go! 선생님. Yes? 무서워요. Why? 과거형. Don't worry, 꼬마야. The past tense is not hard. 외워야 되잖아요. Yes, that's right. But these are words we use all the time, so they are easy to remember. Let's look at today's sentences. Repeat together. What did you do during your vacation? What did you do during your vacation? I helped my mom. I helped my mom. I visited my grandparents. I visited my grandparents. I played a game. I played a game. I made cookies. I made cookies. I went to the beach. I went to the beach. I saw a movie. I saw a movie. Remember, the best way to memorize is to repeat a lot. Watch this video and repeat. Watch again and repeat. Do this in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening, and you will see how easy it is to remember. 오늘 연습 여기까지입니다. You did a great job.